Hello guys, welcome back to my technical rock Vedant channel. In this video, I will tell about the computer programming. I hope everybody can watch the video. Let's start the video. What is computer programming? Computer programming is a technological process for telling a computer which tasks to perform in order to solve problems. You can think of programming as a collaboration between humans and computers. Okay guys, but in other words, it is the process of writing code to facilitate specific actions in a computer, application, or software program and instructs them on how to perform. Go to next topic. What are computer programmers? Computer programmers are professionals that create instructions for a computer to execute by writing and testing code that enables applications and software programs to operate successfully. Programming is the process of giving machines a set of instructions that describe how a program should be carried out. Programmers will spend their whole careers learning a variety of programming languages and tools so they can effectively build computer programs. The four types of programming languages are: 1. Procedural programming languages. Procedural programming languages means follows a sequence of statements or commands in order to achieve a desired output. Each series of steps is called a procedure. Common examples of procedural languages include C and C++, Java, Pascal, Basic 2. Functional programming languages. Functional programming languages means rather than focusing on the execution of statements, functional languages focus on the output of mathematical functions and evaluations. Each function, a reusable module of code, performs a specific task and returns a result. Some popular functional programming languages include Scala, Erlang, Haskell, Elixir 3. Scripting languages. Programmers use scripting languages to automate repetitive tasks, manage dynamic web content, or support processes in larger applications. Some common scripting languages include PHP, Ruby, Python, Bash, Perl 4. Object-oriented programming languages. This type of language treats a program as a group of objects composed of data and program elements, known as attributes. Some common object-oriented languages include Java, Python, PHP, C Wings, Ruby. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Go to next topic, the history of computer programming of the world. The first computer program is generally dated to 1843, when mathematician Ada Lovelace published an algorithm to calculate a sequence of Bernoulli numbers, intended to be carried out by Charles Babbage's analytical engine, which is considered the first computer. However, the first actual programming language was developed in the 1950s called Fortran. The main three types of languages are: 1. Machine language. Machine language are also known as machine code. It means the language of early programs, written in the instruction set of the particular machine, often in binary notation. Assembly languages were soon developed that let the programmer specify instructions. 2. Compiler languages. A compiled language is a programming language for which source code is typically compiled, not interpreted, but it is considered their high-level languages made the process of developing a program simpler and more understandable and less bound to the underlying hardware. 3. An interpreted language is a type of programming language in which the source code is executed line by an interpreter during runtime, rather than being translated into machine code beforehand. In contrast to compiled languages, where a compiler translates the entire source code into machine code before execution, interpreted languages allow for a more dynamic and flexible approach to code execution. How does computer programming work? Computer programming works through the most basic. Programming tells a computer what to do. First, a programmer writes code a set of letters, numbers, and other characters. Next, a compiler converts each line of code into a language a computer can understand. Then, the computer scans the code and executes it, thereby performing a task or series of tasks. Tasks might include displaying an image on a web page or changing the font of a section of text. I hope you are enjoying this video, but your like aim is 300. Please complete AIM this right now. Goodbye, guys.